You already know
I was shooting basketballs in there. I'm like, where's everybody at? All by myself, man. All by myself in there, right?
Omar had to slide out. See a little something.
Yeah, just slide out. Slide out to slide in. You know what I'm saying? Well, welcome. We're here at AHR 2025, Orlando, Florida. It's beautiful weather outside compared to everybody else in the Midwest and what's going on over there. And this is why we need Centrotherm, to make sure that we got the great products that we need for our water heater, heat exchanger systems, tankless water heaters. I mean, as contractors, I mean, that's one of the first things people want. When it's cold, what do they want? They want heat. When they want a hot shower, who do they call? They call us.
Good ventilation.
Exactly. And we need to be ready every time.
Most importantly, ventilation.
Ventilation is number one.
It's number one.
Now,
you don't want no carbon monoxide in that house.
Now, introduce yourself. Where are you from?
So I'm from North Jersey.
Okay, so yeah.
Parsippany area.
Okay.
Morris County. By us, we don't really, it's not by code yet. For using the Centrotherm, but there's I've used it at a customer's house that wasn't pulling a permit. Okay. But it still works. It still is good. It's a good product, you know. It's not by, you know, it's not used by us yet, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna sooner probably be.
So you work more with a lot more heat exchanger systems, boiler systems, because that's one thing that,
water heaters, you know.
Yeah, me and Omar don't work, you know, with that, because, you know, we work in South Florida, so we don't have heat exchangers, we don't have boilers, unless it's like big hotels, big hotels, big buildings that have that kind of system with neutralizers and things like that. And that's something that, of course, you work with as well. What do you like the most about working with the Centrotherm system that you see differently from working with, you know,
regular straight pipe,
piping,
straight pipe,
like that stainless steel that they use?
With this, it's a lot faster.
Okay.
You know,
speed.
A lot faster. You're gonna need less guys to help you on the job. You know, and
so it's already maximizing profits.
Maximizing already. 100%. 100%. You know, like I said, that job that I did, it was 4 ventilations in one house. I did it myself.
You see that?
I didn't need nobody. But now, if I was doing with 4-inch, you know, pipe and elbows, you know, it's gonna take me forever. You know, doing like that. You know, one guy hold that pipe, push it in, and this, that. You know. And
this is where their system, how Centrotherm use them, helps with installation time, cuts down on the time.
Well,
cuts down on the fittings that you're using.
Labor.
Okay, and all that, and also how it rarely is available at the supply houses.
Well, most importantly, you don't no glue.
No glue.
No glue.
Everything is you cut, put, and that's it, and it's sealed tight.
Yep.
We don't work with them a lot, but when they were here and they showed us how to put it together, and I was just like, wow, because even at the bigger buildings, everything is glue, and then when we have to work on it, it has to be cut out. And there lies the problem, then repiping it back in. That's on ventilation alone. But there is just a lot easier. And that's actually the key. Because how many homes have we seen that has carbon dioxide poisoning and somebody has passed away?
They don't even know it.
So you're trusting this product, which has been proven, and I have not seen a leak on it yet when I go into the bigger buildings where it's in. So
that is right. That is right. So I mean, in closing, Centrotherm is the way to go. It's the way with the future, in my opinion.
Future, 100%.
Okay, because this is what we need to use when we're putting in ventilating systems for any heat exchanger operations. So Centrotherm, pick it up wherever plumbing products are sold.
AHR 2025, Centrotherm for the win.
For the win.
Let's go.